In the company I work in, all our projects are Maven projects, even XML projects. And with the not so new Java 9, it's required that now package names are unique. You can't have the same package in two jars. One consequence is your package name becomes longer and longer. In Oxygen, in the project view, for such a package name, I have something which is very long, and sometimes when I have to find a document, it's a long time to open all nodes. So I've developed a small plugin that is just a Maven view of the project. This small plugin identifies that a project is a Maven project. This one has 3 submodules. And if I go into my submodules, I can find, well, various things. And here in XSL, I have an Eclipse view compacted of my package name. And I can find all my documents, open them, well. The other things are totally normal. Another thing we use is we do not want to copy or duplicate code. So we use a dependency management system to import foreign XSL. For example, in this one, here I just import a local XSL from that project. But we've defined a protocol, it was told 2 years later, to identify a resource in a dependency. There is nothing new in the assistant, but I can right-click, and here I have a dependency. I can look for dependency resource. This opens a window with all my dependencies from my POM, and I can navigate well, maybe this one. And it just copies the full path. Sometimes, well, it's difficult to remember the group ID, the artifact ID, and the path. In this protocol, the syntax is so dependency, the group ID, plus artifact ID, and then the path. And it's control. Alt. I can navigate to my XSL, which is in a jar, which is in my local Maven repository. Here it is. It's really simple. What I have to do now, in the last release of Oxygen, there is now a new API. And so I will be able to change my project as I do here. Here I can switch to another project. I will be able to do the same with this new API. Thanks a lot. It doesn't change everything. It's just to have a simple view of this package and usually very long packages. Thank you. Some questions? Yes?
What about the version in the dependency URL? You specify only the group ID and the artifact ID.
The version is specified in the POM.
Oh, okay.
Well, and it's if you want to specify another version, the protocol syntax allows it. I think I'm not sure, but I think here we have a percent or something else to specify a different version. And usually we use catalogs. Well, we have a plugin that generates a catalog looking at all the dependencies. But to be simpler, I've implemented a URL resolver for this protocol in the plugin in Oxygen. This plugin is available on my guest GitHub. Maybe we could find another way to distribute it. So if you want to use it, it's available on GitHub. You test it, open issues, and we will make it go. Thanks a lot.